Julie E. Hello, hello, hello. I've got the Friday night flip cup colors. At least what I think is close to the Friday night flip cup colors. So, there we go. Yep, there we go. Light blue, dark blue, kind of a rosy kind of mauve, and a pink, and then a green, and then the quinacridone nickel azo gold is what I'm using for the orange color. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think I'm just going to do a split cup kind of puddle pour kind of thingy. I don't know. I get lost with all these terms. I'm going to dump that in this, and then I'm going to dump this on that. That's what I'm going to do.
gonna stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no.
the wet results from tonight's Artapalooza. This was the Friday night Flip Cup Challenge palette that Tish and Brooke will be using on Friday night in their flip cups. And it's starting to dry. So, and then over here, where is it? There we go. There is the jewelry that I did. That is our acrylic skins jewelry. There is the glue that I use for it. There we go. They come out pretty. So pretty. Okay, till next time. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.